When you see that, my viewers, police them hold on pan wanted man Karen Piggy Mason. After him a try take away himself in a underfit and the car go flip over. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. 23-year-old Isaac Foster family them a say them not have no money for bury him. Plus Shawn has sent out death threat to him woman when named Crissy. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
And America flow. So no worry your blood clot self. Me I gonna show you something now. Just remember, me there at your yard from when and you not sleep at your yard, you know. Just remember that, you know. I mean, I gotta make sure I go straight a blood clot turn over your sister. I gotta make sure I tell them one blood clot thing, you know. One thing me I go over your sister and your mother. I gotta make sure so me tell them, you know, cause when me I kill your blood clot, I want them know if you find it, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. You know, you pay my light and my water and it's like I cut you on them for cut off. You see me? I have the money for you deal with the light and water for me and I come like I cut you on them thing they cut off for me. It's like they ever care not about me. For a girl let me say, me love. And you make me not take up nobody in my life to say me I live with, you know. Cause me I watch you just for see I go change your ways them you know to say. And a them thing I do, you know. You see me? The light and water for deal with, and you know, you me make pay them. And you see from when me have the money for deal with the thing them for me and a joke thing you depend. Like I cut you once me thing then cut off. You should just remember, you know, God I go give you for your share, you know. Everybody take you for papi show, everybody take you for idiot. And me alone stand up with you. And me alone in your circle like that. And you say, deal with me. God I go give you for your share, you know. Remember me tell you, I go come and look for me and tell me, Shawn Gear Fip say you're sorry. Remember me tell you, boy, it I got too late. Remember me tell you that. I ride out my star, man, but remember me tell you, say it I got too late. I run a Malik school. I bet you say, alright, I'm gonna show you how me I go get. I'm gonna show you how me I go get fuck up. I'm gonna show you how me I go get fuck up. Any you know, call my phone and tell me where you're really up to. You're gonna see what me I go do down at your son. From morning me there at your son's school, you know. From morning, you know, me I go show you how fuck up me be, you know. I go and I come back, you know. I come back a while ago, you know. Cause remember me have somebody on my program and them tell me say school over early, you know. Them tell me say school over early today. Now remember me show somebody a picture so me have you on a profile, you know, for Crissy. And you know come deal with me on a different level, you know, Crissy. Remember me tell you this, you know. Remember, you know, don't make this get out of hand, you know, Crissy. Alright. Don't you say you have your man already, you know, Crissy. The only thing me I beg you come do, you know, come take the money and pay the water bill. And the light bill for me, you know. Cause one day me know you say, anyhow me and you not going away. For your birthday, remember me tell you just know say you can't look back in my circle, you know. Just remember say you can't look back in my circle. Remember that. Anyhow me and you not go to me for your birthday.
When you hear that, my viewers, when you hear Shawn Gear Flips, I send death threat to Crissy. I talk about him dead on at the girl's son's school and why am I gonna do to her? My people, by my understanding, you know, Crissy and Shawn, you know, look like them did day, you know, and it look like the relationship gone left, and it look like him no one left the woman for she go on her ways alone. He must stalk down the woman, be a voice note, be a ring him a ring down the woman, till see it you know, he must send death threat and all type of thing. My people, when you can't take them thing you light, you know, you hear that? So JCF, I hope you go seek and find a boy, you know, and find out why him intention, you know. If I bluff him, you know, or him go take this thing as serious, you know. What if him did see Crissy when him did a bleach her yard? What him would I do to the girl? Eh? Alright then, my viewers. See as what I say, I want him to we man. We can't learn to walk away when the relationship done. But my people, the way that youth attack, Can't see say him trip lick. Can't see say him fall in love. And you can't see say him no want walk away. So Crissy, watch your head back. And I hope you report this thing here. And JCF, don't take it light. Go seek and find the boy here. Find out why him intention them. Where him a go down at the girl pitney them school for. What him did I go do to the little pitney? If Crissy no call him, what him I go do to our family them? Some people walk with me and now where we see wanted man, Karen Piggy Mason get wall. The boy did a take away himself in a Honda Fit and the car go flip over upon Sly Pen Road. My people, Karen Piggy Mason for lucky say a squaddy them hold him, you know. You know much man a road one hold that boy, yeah? If he fling 9 ball in him head, half of him did a rob down the wall of uptown from him bun down him girlfriend house and left 30 people homeless. The boy there road a going with a bag of thing. A be a menace to society. Till see it and now my viewers, the JCF finally hold the boy. So no walk with me and now. You remember Isaac Foster, that youth you wanna see on the screen, where did I go on crazy over Duff Cat? Him family them a say them not have no money for bury him. See it here my people, this is the harsh reality of life boy, you know. When enough youth I take up themselves, I do all type of things a road, and them not think about when them dead, you know. Them not think about when them go jail, you know. Till see it here now, that youth a meet him demise in one of the worst way them. Everybody out there did a speculate and a say mental. Till him family them come out and say him no mental. People start to say he look like a possess him did possess. Them a say nothing like that. So what? The youth just wake up that day there so and just feel bad and just guard off cat. If you go do this, if you make man fling him down, put 9 ball in him head and send him home. And now him family them a say them can't even find the $1 if you keep 9 night, much less if you go keep funeral. Get a youth, think before you do certain things. Don't follow no friend and company. And that's why I'm there some more while, you know. I try show you know. Say certain things not worth it, you know. Cause when you're dead and gone, see it yeah. Your family them have to go pick up the pieces them. You left a burden for your family them. Them have to go scramble now. Hustle now. Try look money by any means necessary. If you try bury you. So as I say, Isaac Foster family them a say them broke. Now have no money for bury the youth. So how this a go? The government a go take it up in hand, throw the youth in a one of them board box there, and just keep a little cheap funeral and call it a day. So my people, take care of yourself out there. Until next time, you hear that? You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?